In today's detailed tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in Steam, making your entire gaming interface easier to navigate in your native tongue. Whether you have recently moved to a new country, are learning a new language, or your Steam client accidentally switched to a language you do not understand, this step-by-step guide is designed to help you fix that quickly and easily. Many users find the Steam interface a bit overwhelming when it is not in their primary language, especially with the constant updates to the platform. We will go through the desktop client settings to ensure everything from your library to your store page reflects your choice. This process is universal and works across Windows, Mac, and Linux versions of the Steam client. If you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more essential gaming tutorials and tech tips. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Steam application on your computer. Once the application is loaded and you are signed into your account, look at the very top left-hand corner of the window. You will see a small menu item that simply says Steam. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you want to navigate down and click on Settings. This will open up the main configuration window where all the magic happens. Now that the settings window is visible, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. There are many different categories here like account, friends, and the downloads, but the one we are interested in is the interface section. Go ahead and click on Interface. This section controls how Steam looks and feels, including the skin you use, the startup location, and most importantly, the language settings. Once you have clicked on Interface, look at the very first option at the top of the main pane. It should be labeled as Steam Client Language. Next to this label, you will see a drop-down box that currently displays the language your client is currently using. Click on that drop-down menu and you will see a comprehensive list of all the languages Steam officially supports. Scroll through this list until you find the language you want to switch to. Steam offers a wide variety of options including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and many others. Select your preferred choice by clicking on the name of the language. Immediately after you make your selection, a small prompt window will pop up. Steam needs to restart its processes in order to apply the new text files and interface changes across the entire application. The prompt will usually offer you two choices, restart now or restart later. If you're not in the middle of a big download or playing a game, I highly recommend clicking restart now. This ensures the change takes effect immediately. If you choose Restart Later, you will have to manually close and reopen Steam later to see the changes. Once Steam closes and reopens, you will notice that everything, the menus, the store headers, your library categories, and the settings themselves has been successfully translated into your chosen language. This is a vital step for many users because it also often affects the default language for games that you download in the future, as Steam will try to match your game installations to your client's language whenever possible. It is important to note that changing the language of the Steam client does not automatically change the language of games you have already installed, as those often have their own individual language settings in their properties menu. But this is the first and most important step to localizing your entire gaming experience. If you ever need to change it back, you simply follow these exact same steps in reverse. Even if you can't read the words, just remember the icons and the positions of the menus we clicked today. That is literally all there is to it. You have now successfully customized your interface to better suit your needs. I hope this guide saved you some time and cleared up any confusion you might have had while digging through the menus. If this video helped you get your Steam client back to a language you recognize, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making these helpful guides for the community. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.